welcome back to another unboxing video. Yes, another one. So I got some stuff from I wanted to see ASOS. This is from SHEIN, not ASOS. You guys can see the logo there. This is from SHEIN. Let's unbox together. These are basically random stuff, both for my daughter's birthday and also for Christmas and all that. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into it. So this one is shower cap. Sometimes when I'm bathing, water gets to my hair, so I need something to just protect it. What do you guys think? So it came in 3 pairs, blue, pink, and green. So I got this. This is what I'm going to put in the kids, in my daughter's gift pack. Is that what they call it? Those bags that you are going to give to kids. Just going to put some toys inside. So this is a birthday mask. Yeah, we kind of have a theme. So this is the bag. We are going to put everything inside this bag. But I only got for girls though. It's so cute. So I think I have to get for boys as well. What do you guys think? This is so cute. Okay, I need this to wash my stove. Yeah, I need it. So enter all those small corners. This is some nails, some stick-on for those days when you can't fix your nails, you don't have time and you need to film some videos. So stick-on it is. This is glue for nails. I decided to try this one out because most ones that come with the nails, they don't really last long. This is for food. Maybe you can put popcorn, anything inside for birthdays just to put on the table. This is garland, a bit cutting for decoration. I took silver. This is pew 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 whistle that children used to play with. So what is this one? Let me keep it plastic. So this one is this. Oh my god, I love this. It's glass for the kids. Oh, it's so cute. And everything is so pinky. So this is also toys just to add inside the gift bag. I will still buy more though, but for now they buy a small. So this is harmony case for our tablets. Here the one that we have already is worn out. This is cockroach. I want to prank these children with cockroach inside their food. This is so cute. It's Christmas. This thing for Crocs. Oh, it's for Harmony. Harmony shows it. So this is a Christmas tablecloth. I need my kitchen don't have decoration. The only place we decorated in this house is our parlor. Any other place, no decor. So I'm just going to put this on our table. At least make the kitchen still day Christmas is small. So this is my pajamas. The F. I really don't like. It's too shiny. I don't know. It's cute though. I'll try it out. It's shiny. This is what it looks like. This one not look like cotton, no. But I took it because it kind of look like the pajamas that my kids already have. So this is what it's looking like. They smell like plastic. I don't know if it's going to work. Maybe when it's raining, they just wear it and use it to cover their shoe. We'll try it out if it works. This is a birthday invitation. She's going to give this to some of our schoolmates. I don't know why I took this one. I'm also going to use it to prank. It's a fake tongue. It's so soft. This is also for gift to put in the gift bag. So what is this one? Oh, this is cute. I don't know why I got this, but maybe if we need it. So this is a tablecloth for her birthday. It's small. It's to cover the table. Oh, this is so cute. It's a birthday candle. Yeah, this is what it's looking like. 10. This is our crown. So I used to have something like this. It's an earring. But my son broke it. It not even come with pin. And be okay, the pin removed. So I decided to get this one. The one I have before is more beautiful than this one, because this one now have a gold. This gold go quick black. What is this? Ah! Oh God, I should not have opened it. It's a game. It's for the birthday too. It's a one. Oh my gosh, I'm loving this already. This is like it's an hand glove, not like. Oh, it's so long and so beautiful. Take a look at that. So this one is an happy birthday, that garland that you put on the wall. I think this is a banner, a photo for photo shoot. Ah, it's cloth. Oh wow, it's so good. Huh? So this is for sweets, yeah, for bonbons. So this is more big. What is this? This is a mating spray. I don't have any. I just decided to take it. So what else do we have? I took this tight though. I get tight full house, but I don't know. I just took it. They said it's a kind of give you that figure 8 shape. I don't know. I'll try it out later. I hope it fits me though. Oh, I love this. my kitchen is going to look Christmassy now. So I got this. This is for the kitchen. It says Christmas chairs to remove something from the fire, and this for the oven. Oh, this is so cute. So guys, this is a nose ring. I don't know why I got a nose ring. It's beautiful though. I used to have piercing in my nose, but I removed it because I found out it was drawing too much attention to my nose, because I don't like my nose. But I'm at the place where I'm not loving. I have to accept my nose the way it is. So I don't care if you draw any attention. What do you guys think? So beautiful. I might go and get a piercing. Let's see. Guys, we got more nails. This is beautiful. Wow, I love it. And it's so long. And this is another earring. Yeah, one is for me, one is for my daughter. More toys for the gift bag. What is inside here? Let's see. Ah. It's small now. It's not big. They will just write it large. Write it large for here. It's for meat pie. Not large for my eye. So guys, thank you for watching. Let me know, does this nose ring look good on me or not? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.